hours.
All right, go.
Oh, fucking mini dirt bike.
2 people on a 500 watt electric dirt bike. Such fun though. Let's go in the grass. Actually, should we go in the grass? Yeah. Yeah. It's too slow. Yeah, see, look at this. It's going like 5 miles an hour in the grass.
You think you can beat us?
What? I don't want
Don't race us.
He probably could.
There from there.
Yeah, he probably could. Actually, let's do it from there to there. Still record though. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over there. Come on! I'll drive. We're gonna race from... Alright. I'll put the tire right on the way. Alright, we're gonna race from this white line all the way to the other one.
The door.
The door. Actually, not the door. The path that goes to the door. So basically where the grass starts. Yeah, so you probably will. You might win though.
Ready, set, go!
He's gonna win. This thing's... Yeah, he's gonna fucking destroy us.
Holy hell.
Yeah, he's gonna fucking destroy us. Bro, what the hell? Bro, this dude fucking smoked us. You fucking smoked us.
Here, go by yourself, go by yourself.
Yeah, you're probably still gonna win. If this acceleration was faster, then I would have won.
Go, just go, drive around, make sure they don't get it.